Dual level living, providing the perfect opportunity for the most astute investor or larger family. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and what an opportunity I've got for you today. This wonderful family home here in Allan Avenue, Ryde, is not only located in a great spot close to Top Ryde Shopping Centre, but it offers an array of opportunities for the most astute buyer. Let's go take a look. Not only does the home feature an abundance of accommodation with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms and multiple array of living options over 2 levels, but it's also the high location that I think most people will absolutely love. Featuring sweeping district views, the future opportunities are absolutely endless. Versatile family opportunities in great locations are hard to come by. If you have any further questions, make sure you reach out. We're more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.